Hello, Angela here from Didsbury Piano. I'm here to just explain to you how you can tap and count the animal rhythms that we use in Piano Safari Book 1. These are all notes which have different lengths, and you can see on the first one here, these notes are black. They last for one beat. In England, we would call those a crotchet. That's the name of that kind of a note. And we have 4 of them here. There are 4 notes. So we would tap those and say ta for each one beat. We do that with a flat hand onto your other hand. So we'd go ta, 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 ta. And you can say the name of the animal pattern for 4 of those is Charlie Chipmunk. Moving on to the one below it, these ones you'll notice there's only 2 notes here. And each note is a white note, and that means it's going to last for 2 beats. See how it's not filled in the middle here. So we would call those a minim in England, and the sound we would say is ta-2, because we're going to hold it on for 2 beats. In Piano Safari, they call those hippo. And this is how I would tap it so that you can feel that second beat as something that lengthens it. So we're going to clap on our hand for the ta and slide up for the 2. Ta-2, ta-2. Here we go again. Ta-2, ta-2. Here you'll see we've got a combination, 2 tas followed by ta-2. So 1 beat note, a 1 beat note, and a 2 beat note. And you can call that tall giraffe. Quite nice thing for a tall giraffe, because then you can go up the neck of the giraffe as you're doing 2 beat notes to lengthen it. So to do that, we do ta, 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 2. Looking at the very bottom one here, you can see that we've just got an oval shaped note. There's only 1 note here, and it lasts for 4 beats. In England, we call those a semi-breve, and we would count that ta, 2, 3, 4. So we strike on ta, we keep it held down for the 2, 3, 4. So similar to the 2 beat note that we had over here, we're going to elongate that movement. Okay, but this time it's going to be 4 beats long. We're going to have to move a bit further. Ta, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 2, 4. Okay, now you can see above here we've got notes which are black, like the tas that we have here. But these ones are all joined together with a bar across the top, and there are 4 notes. Each one of these notes is called a quaver in England, and each quaver is worth half a beat. So we've got a half, and that together makes 1 beat. So they are double the speed of a ta. So we've got 1 beat here, another beat here, 3rd beat here, a 4th beat here. To do tatties, because they're double the speed, children often will try and do big claps and they can't quite get it fast enough. I can see them going tatty, tatty, da. So to make it nice and light and quick, we just use 2 fingers, like 2 little legs, on the flat of your other hand, so they can stay quite close to the hand. So this one here at the top would be tatty, tatty, ta, ta, or Zechariah Zebra. Here's another combination of tatty and ta. This time it's just a 2 beat combination. We've got the 2 quavers, half a beat each, that makes 1 beat, and then the crotchet, the ta. So it's very similar, it's just a shorter pattern, tatty, ta. Okay, and that concludes our demonstration. If children get very comfortable and fluent with tapping these rhythms in blocks, you'll see a huge difference in the way they play, because they will just see bigger blocks of sound, and they don't have to count out and use lots and lots of different numbers in their counting. They're feeling it and they're recognizing blocks of sound. So that's why it's really good to go through this animal rhythm sheet in all the different ways that you can, and that I give lots of suggestions to my pupils on how to do that as part of your everyday practice, so it just becomes very easy and comfortable for all the pupils that are studying in this piano method. I hope that helps. Goodbye.